So friends, let's see today's delicious boiled egg sandwich with a special homemade spread. So for the spread, I've taken about 4 tablespoons of mayo in a bowl. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of English mustard sauce. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of tobasco sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, and 2 teaspoons of very finely chopped or sliced or minced onion, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped jalapenos. And now mix everything well together, and our lovely sandwich spread is all ready to use for this recipe. Now just toast some slices of bread and set aside till they come to room temperature. You can toast them on a pan or you can toast them in a toaster. And now you're just going to apply this lovely spread evenly on both slices. And then you're just going to cut up some boiled egg very thinly and place it on the sandwich, on the bread which has the spread. Watch the video till the end because I'll show you how to get the perfect hard-boiled eggs. And close the sandwich, and you can cut them up into triangles and enjoy this lovely boiled egg sandwich. So let's get started with how to boil eggs to the perfect hard-boiled consistency. So what I do is I first place the eggs in a large bowl of water and I put it onto the heat, and I let this water come to a boil on a medium to high flame. And when it starts boiling vigorously like this, we're going to let it boil for a good 5 whole minutes. And after that, I'm going to turn the flame off and I'm going to let the eggs remain in this water till the water comes to room temperature. And once it's come to room temperature, I'm just going to put them under some cold water, running water. And then once they're nice and cool, I'm just going to remove the peel like this. It comes off very, very easily. Without any effort. And that's it. We've got these beautiful hard-boiled eggs.